Just think about it. Everything is connected. The sun, the wind, the water. Those elements are connected to our future of life. Therefore, we have to take care of these enormous powers and connect them to sustainability. It's always been in our DNA. Since 1955, we proudly stand for a small part that is a big part in our continuously changing world. With this, we make new innovative solutions for transportation, communication, manufacturing, energy, and much more. And we embrace the challenge. And we're confident that we can show that everything is possible. We connect responsibility to our future. The same future that you and I and all of us share. And in that way, all parts make valuable sense.